it will be better. Now that we are together, we are going to form a formidable team with the rest of Kenyans. Not just here in the mountain, with the rest of Kenyans. Even in Rift Valley, people are talking to us. They are as dissatisfied as you are. They are also being abused. I saw one of the personal assistant to the president abusing the KIPSIGIS people. They are as unhappy as we are. Sio nyinyi peke yenu umeitwa mademoni. Hata hawa wa KIPSIGIS wanalalamika. Ana hawajajengewa barabara, wamedanganywa. It's not just us in the mountain who are having a problem. It's the whole of Kenya. And therefore we are going to work with the whole of Kenya. So, nyene dake na muno ni guka mushuyo. You have allowed to iratu ikale no ko na thiko 10. And to wakera to tigo ikala to guthie Meru, but we'll be coming here to consult our lady here. Kwa ugo mwatuona guku mukamenya tuoka guhoya ki mataro na kirira kati guo na nituguteithania. We'll work together, we'll hold each other, and we'll also look for other Kenyans so that we stay together. And when we work that way, we'll have a beautiful country. And this country has many challenges.